today I'll be showing some of my fidget collection. First, we've got my needles. I have my mini yellow needle, my mini orange needle, my mini purple needle, my icicle poppet. It's so cute. My rainbow poppet, tie-dye. My unicorn noodle, which I turned into a bracelet. My double pop golden. My mini poppet, well, one of them. My normal fidget spinner poppet. My zipper bracelet. My little jelly bat squishy. So cute. My little pig jelly squishy. My little black cat squishy. My little skeleton squishy. My little tiger cat mochi. My simple dimple. My puzzle block. My infinity cube. My second infinity cube. My ghost squishy. My pea popper. And my homemade stress ball. That's some of my fidgets, and that's all for now.